All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today got this Caballero right over here, Urban EDC Supply exclusive. Here with me, nice milling pattern going on for sure. This is an exclusive. I'm going to check it out and see how it's looking on the inside. Let me go ahead and try. You guys, you know what you can try? To check out fablades.com. Yeah. See what's going on there. Maybe there is something you like to buy. I don't know. You can let me know. You can also check out Fablades at Fablades on Instagram and see what is going on there as well. There's something going on. And yeah, the comment section, as usual, you can leave me a comment. I'll do my best to reply. And if you aren't subscribed, yeah, you can also consider to push that button. And there's a bell. They told me that if you push that, you're gonna get a notification when a video is out. So that's pretty cool. But here is the Peña Caballero. Very, very nice. I think this is a 3.3-inch blade. So it's a tiny one, right? Never force things, guys. You see, just a gentle wiggle with this plastic thing, and it's done. So of course, we got some of the tiniest bearings on the market. It is pretty straightforward. I'm not gonna take off everything. You get the idea. There's no internal skeletonization. There is a lock bar travel stabilizer. This thing just sneaked out of me. Here you go. Go back right over there. And yeah, because this is gonna be the lanyard option, because there's no backspacer, just a couple standoffs. Anyways, we are here grabbing some microfiber cloth and cleaning. This is pretty dry, actually, so there's not much to clean. It's absolutely dry, actually. So let me go ahead and do some nano oil thing going on over here. So I'm gonna do two big drops, one for that, 1 and 2 over here as well. For that side, just gonna do another couple here. That was a lot, but it's fine. Today, we're generous. So this guy goes here, just break a little bit of the detent. Here you go. Just keep it pinched. I got, these are for the handle. So this guy was going here. And it's in. And the second one also in. That's pretty good. And we're gonna just change this to a T10, which I appreciate a lot, to have a tiny, tiny screw, but at least it's a T10. But still, you guys have to be careful because you can easily strip those because the inner part is thin. So, boom, here we are. This is centered. Feels a little bit too tight, so maybe you can just leave it off a little bit. Nice snappy front flipper. It's kind of maybe, I can't really do with the index. With the thumb is the right way to deploy this guy, which is becoming snappy. There's not going to be any drop shot going on over here. Blade is too thin, but this guy is very nicely designed. I like the lines. The action is, yeah, it's so-so, but it's normal for a knife this small, but definitely the look is great. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.